folks, here we go. MGB GT, but the V8 one. The one you want. Mick's already eyeing it up. What a lovely car. It's not perfect, there are a few imperfections, but it is a good one. Clean, smart and tidy on the bodywork. There are a couple of bits, which I'll show you in a second, which are just starting to bubble up, but they haven't broke the paint yet. Just on the bottom of one of the doors. Running a ticking over sweet. We'll have a closer look. Clean, smart and tidy wheels. Just a little bit there on that door bottom on the driver's side. But it is clean, smart, tidy, very usable. A couple of spare parts in the back there. Spare distributors, a couple of workshop manuals and stuff. But overall, yeah, it is very good. Have a quick look on the inside. Sunroof as well. Summer's coming. Nice door cards, nice door shuts. Bit of a mark in the seat there, but nothing too major. Car cover with it as well. A quick look in the back. Nice in the back. Headlining's all good. There you go, look. V8 under there, ticking over as it should. Very presentable under there. Driver's side door card's nice as well. Door shuts are nice. Minimal wear on the seat on the driver's side. Just have a quick look on the inside. Dash top's very, very good. All the dashboard's very good. 15,000 miles showing on the clock. Sounds really, really sweet. So there you go. Definitely worth coming down to have a look at. Just put that back down. Yeah, definitely worth coming down to have a look at. So please, as ever, come see us when we open for viewing and speak to the office regarding paperwork. Thank you.